I can provide information on some of the top earning YouTube niches up until that point. Keep in mind that the landscape may have changed after that date. Here are 5 lucrative YouTube niches along with some details. Gaming. 1. Description. This niche involves creating content related to video games. 3. It can include gameplay videos, walkthroughs, reviews, tutorials, and more. 1. Earning potential. Gaming channels can earn revenue through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and donations from viewers. 1. Top earners. Some of the top earning gaming YouTubers include PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Jacksepticeye. Tech and gadgets. 1. Description. Tech channels focus on reviewing, unboxing, and providing tutorials about various electronic gadgets, software, and tech-related topics. 1. Earning potential. Revenue comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and potentially creating and selling their own products. 1. Top earners. Channels like Linus Tech Tips, Marks Brownlee, NKBHD, and iJustine are some of the highest earning tech YouTubers. Finance and investing. 1. Description. Finance channels offer advice, tips, and information on personal finance, investing, saving, budgeting, and related topics. 1. Earning potential. These channels often earn through ad revenue, affiliate marketing. 3. For products like investment platforms or financial tools, and potentially by offering courses or consulting services. 1. Top earners. Graham Stephan and Mute Kevin are examples of successful finance-focused YouTubers. Beauty and makeup. 1. Description. This niche revolves around makeup tutorials, product reviews, skincare routines, and beauty-related content. 1. Earning potential. Beauty YouTubers can make money from ads, sponsored content. 3. Affiliate marketing, and by launching their own beauty products or collaborations. 1. Top earners. Jeffree Star, James Charles, and Nikki Tutorials are among the highest earning beauty YouTubers. Lifestyle and vlogging. 1. Description. Lifestyle vloggers document various aspects of their daily lives, including travel, fashion, health, relationships, and more. 1. Earning potential. Revenue comes from ad revenue, brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, and potentially launching their own products or services. 1. Top earners. Channels like Casey Neistat, Zoella, and David Dobrik have achieved significant success in the lifestyle/vlogging niche. Please note that the popularity and earnings of YouTube channels can change over time due to shifts in audience interests, algorithm changes, and other factors. Always verify the most current information from reliable sources if you're looking for the most up-to-date statistics. Support and subscribe. Thanks for watching.